Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your restaurant business. First, let's get your QuickBooks account ready. You'll want to customize your chart of accounts to accurately categorize all your unique restaurant costs, like food inventory and labor. Next, input all your regular vendors, from your produce supplier to your linen service. Finally, integrate your point-of-sale system to automatically pull in daily sales, making reconciliation much easier. This foundational setup ensures accurate financial tracking from day one. Now, let's talk about managing your daily operations within QuickBooks. It's crucial to meticulously track your food and beverage inventory. Categorize items clearly to understand your usage and waste. Your integrated point-of-sale system will feed daily sales directly into QuickBooks, simplifying revenue recognition. Regularly review your prime costs, which are your food and labor expenses, to ensure your restaurant remains profitable. This proactive approach helps you make informed purchasing and staffing decisions. Moving on to payroll and expenses, QuickBooks streamlines these essential tasks. You can easily process payroll for your entire team, ensuring everyone is paid accurately and on time. Make sure to categorize every operational expense, from your monthly rent to utility bills, for a clear financial picture. Regularly generating profit and loss reports will give you vital insights into your restaurant's financial health, helping you identify areas for improvement and growth. This keeps your books tidy and compliant. Finally, let's leverage QuickBooks for powerful reporting and business insights. Analyze your sales trends to understand peak times and popular menu items, helping you optimize your offerings. Utilize comprehensive financial reports to make strategic decisions about pricing, staffing, and marketing. These insights are invaluable for long-term success. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.